Dear friends, welcome to the Advanced Tech. Let's dive into today's collection of incredible tools and groundbreaking inventions. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. So, let's get started. A powerful machine easily cuts iron sheets into round shapes. It's saving both time and effort. A powerful machine is capable of shaping spoons with ease, and it can produce dozens of spoons in just a few minutes. The process is called silage baling and wrapping. It's a method used to preserve grass and other forage for later use as animal feed. This machine is a device used to mold flat iron sheets into the desired shape. These machines use various methods to bend, cut, and shape. It may look like a piece of pink Play-Doh, but what you're really looking at is the manufacturer of hot coil springs. This satisfying man-made machine technology has contributed a lot in saving both human time and labor. This machine presses the soil and creates a block-type stone. This machine is strengthening the road. This machine is known as shaper machine. The shaper machine is a rotating type machine which is basically used for producing horizontal, vertical, or flat surfaces. Powerful tech machine that crushes vegetables in a large rotating high-pressure machine to create a new ingredient. This laser machine cleaning is a technique used to remove burrs and other surface imperfections from laser-cut parts by precisely removing unwanted material with a laser beam. This tube can seal any powerful water pressure. We all should keep one such tube in our home.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.